there. I will again start recording here, and this is how you do it. And there is one more very interesting feature which I want to show you, and that is the text. Now text, if you know the languages, different languages, whichever you want to select, you can select. Now this is there are options, whichever font you want and whichever font size you want. So if I go for 22, so here, now I will type my name here. Sometimes we need slides on top of our videos to show what is the topic, and now I want to make it more visible. So what I'll do is, this is the text. I'm not changing the text color. I will change the background of the text from here, and I will increase the opacity of the background. So now this has become a strip for my name, and it can be the topic of your presentation. And then what now we are going to do is, no, this is here. Now what I want to do is, I will stretch it this. I'll make a right click here, and there are filters. So now what I want is, scroll of my text, and if I, sorry, just a minute, this, all those from here right now. तो आप इसको जिस तरफ स्क्रॉल कराना चाहेंगे, जितनी स्पीड से, तो आपके स्लाइड्स के ऊपर, वीडियोस के ऊपर आप एक इस तरह की स्ट्रिप रन कर सकते हैं. दिस कैन बी हॉरिजॉन्टल, दिस कैन बी वर्टिकल, this way. So this is one option which most of the people like to use. इसकी आप डायरेक्शंस डिसाइड कर सकते हैं. जितना आप इसको मूव करेंगे उतना तेज़ या धीमा ये स्क्रॉल होगा. So this is one option which we can use in our videos. This is how we use OBS. The more you will use it, the more compatible it will be for you. And I hope if there are any other queries you want to know, because I think this is what I would be able to tell you on an online mode. But the more you practice, the more useful it will become to you.
Surucha, I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Like you are doing it right now.
Yes, ma'am.
So through OBS, if I'm talking right now, you're doing it through OBS through YouTube, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So I can, if I'm having a meeting, I can record the meeting, and like we're recording the Zoom meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
And we want to keep this, any conference or anything we can record here, right?
We can record anything. Like this meeting, when it is going on, I have used the display capture option, because whatever is on my screen will be recorded and will be streamed if we are using the stream option also.
If I'm not so comfortable with OBS in the beginning,
Yes, ma'am.
I can ask you to have a Google Meet, and I can ask you that please, Richa, I want to record this.
Yes, ma'am.
You will be able to.
Yes, ma'am.
And you will be able to stream. So
Yes.
you will be able to, but in the settings, supposing we on some, like you were showing the name and the icons, and if you are trying to make our logos and everything like a 5D image.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will be fitting it before we start recording, right?
Yes, ma'am. If we want that on the power, like we have to make a slide for that particularly, and then we can use it as a strip on the above of or below sides of the video, and then we can definitely stream it accordingly.
Like I'm asking you so that we can, I mean, we can also help other professionals
Yes, ma'am.
record their videos if they are not compatible,
Yes, ma'am.
and stream it live. Stream it live or record and then stream. I mean, you
Both.
can record it also.
Yes, ma'am. You can record and edit it. If you want to remove some portions, if you don't want the complete meeting to go, then we can edit it also. The major problem editing सॉफ्टवेयर्स के साथ जो होती है कि आप उसको जितना edit करेंगे the file becomes heavier, जितनी ज़्यादा एडिटिंग होगी. सो स्ट्रीमिंग यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक ऑप्शन है दैट वी कैन स्टार्ट स्ट्रीमिंग ओनली व्हेन वी आर ऑल सेट टू गो. यू डोंट नीड टू स्ट्रीम इट बिफोर हैंड. सो जो इनिशियल कुछ हसल होती है जो हम नहीं चाहते हैं लाइव हो, उसको हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. व्हेन यू गो डायरेक्टली लाइव तो हम उस पर कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते हैं. कई बार कुछ टेक्निकल ग्लिचेस हैं तो वो सब कुछ स्ट्रीम होता रहता है. तो वो सब श्योरिटी के बाद आप अपनी स्ट्रीमिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं तो इट बिकम्स बेटर कि आपको उतना एडिट नहीं करना पड़ता. वैसे यूट्यूब पे भी एक. यस मैम.
Can you tell us something about the editing part also, about the software that can be used for editing?
मैम Meghna today, I think she was saying she had some connectivity issues, so she won't be there. I personally have open short editor, which is again open source software, which has multiple options of this for editing. And YouTube itself, after your stream is over, it gives you an option if you want to edit the video, you want to cut some part or something. But all these things are like, the more you practice with them, the more you are used to all these things, because we all have learned it during this pandemic time because of these online classes. So we had some FDPs in which we went through this. So the more we have been using it, there are still many options which I am also not very familiar with, but these are the basics which we use in our routine video making and everything.
So any other person who has a question? No? I see Tejinder making lot of videos, and I see Vanna also making lot of videos.
Yes, ma'am. And Vanna's
So anybody?
videos are really doing well.
Yes.
Yeah,
Vanna, you are just
rocking it.
rocking. 455 when I saw last.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, I would say a very nice video, but only when we'll be using it, then we'll know what are the problems we are facing. As of now, it looks very good.
Yes, it is. It has the only benefit is that while you are recording video, you need not be online. You can work it in offline mode also to make your videos prior and then upload it. So उस तरह से वो अच्छा है कि आपको हमेशा ऑनलाइन रहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. If you have a presentation and you just want to record a video and upload it afterwards, then it is very useful.
So you must be doing it.
Sorry. How is it different from YouTube?
YouTube.
There also we record it, edit it, and then we upload it.
Yes, no, in YouTube, like when we are going live streaming, that is a different issue. But then when you are on YouTube, you have to be live online always. While you are using YouTube, you have to be online. And there are multiple other options besides streaming and everything. There are multiple other options which you will, when you explore more, you will come to know. Which YouTube,
Yes.
yeah.
Maybe you keep another session and give us 10 days, 20 days and explore, and then we come up with the question and answers.
Definitely. Anytime.
Pick up a time that this is a tutorial time, let's all get into it, and then we actually work on it, and then we know what are the problems we are facing. As
Yes.
of now, it's looking amazing
Yeah.
to work on.
Yeah. Now, like I have become used to it. I have become quite used to using this now. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
There are a lot of students who are PhD students also, And I would like to take this opportunity to share that on next Friday, which is
Yes,
next
ma'am, next
Friday,
Friday.
we are going to have a workshop on Zotero software, which is management of bibliography basically. So Richa, can you tell us something about Zotero? What is, so that the people who are here can also spread to I mean they can spread the word that you're going to take this
Yes, ma'am.
Zotero. So what is it about?
Zotero बेसिकली इज़ अ सॉफ्टवेयर जहाँ पे आप अपने सारे साइटेशंस जो आप अपने रिसर्च पेपर्स में यूज़ कर रहे हैं, इफ़ यू आर राइटिंग अ पेपर और अ थीसिस, यू कैन collect them there. You can use them while writing your papers, and it can be integrated with your Microsoft Word also. And now it has got a plugin which is integrated with Google Docs, which जो हम ऑनलाइन काम करते हैं. So we can use it for citations, and the best thing is that whenever you remove a citation or you add a citation, the paper is automatically updated if you refresh the Zotero window. So all the bibliography is automatically updated, and you can use a multiple kind of citations. जितनी भी APA MLA जो अलग अलग स्टाइल्स हैं उसमें देर आर मल्टीपल स्टाइल्स गिवन. यू कैन यूज़ मोस्ट ऑफ देम, एंड आप जिस भी स्टाइल को सेलेक्ट करेंगे आपका पेपर ऑटोमेटिकली उस स्टाइल में सारी बिब्लियोग्राफी को अरेंज कर देता है. सो देर आर नो चांसेस ऑफ मिसिंग ऑन समथिंग. हमारी जो सबसे मेजर प्रॉब्लम आती है स्पेशली जब रिव्यूज़ लिखे जाते हैं, तो देर आर मैनी, देर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ, देर इज़ अ हाई नंबर ऑफ साइटेशन. तो कई बार ऐसा होता है कुछ छूट गया, कुछ रह गया. वो एक आपके दिमाग से डर निकल जाता है. जो आप अपने पूरे पेपर में से हटाएंगे वो नीचे से भी हट जाएगा, जो ऐड करेंगे वो वहाँ से हट जाएगा. सो यू डोंट हैव टू कीप ऑन चेकिंग अगेन अगेन दैट यू हैव यूज्ड एवरीथिंग. सो उस तरह से बहुत कंफर्टेबल है. देर आर मेनी अदर ऑप्शंस ऑल्सो. इनफैक्ट आई थिंक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट जो डॉक्यूमेंट वर्ड है उसमें भी एक इंटीग्रेटेड बिब्लियोग्राफी मैनेजमेंट आता है. बट आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस, सो आई एम मोर कंफर्टेबल विद इट नाउ. सो दैट इज इट.
So no questions, no more questions. Okay, so I think Richa, girls are Vanda has just written in the chat that they need to actually try it, and then they will. And Tejinder is also said that they need to try it
Yes,
and
ma'am.
then
Yes, ma'am. Because it needs a lot of practice before actually understanding all the functions. So that is there.
Oh, okay.